going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Crime Center. I got another reaction video. Hopefully it does right this time. The last two times I've done it, it kind of lags a little bit, and that's annoying to me, so I know it's annoying to you. So I had a buddy of mine send me this video. I have a basic understanding of what it's about. It's about a pervert, but I haven't actually seen the whole video, so me and you are going to do that together. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, kick back, and let's enjoy.
Who is here on David Newman?
I love this judge, by the way.
Court is calling 2021 CR 0689, State of Texas versus David Matthew Newman. Can I have parties approach for the record?
See, I've been in trouble a couple of times in my life, and I hated when it was my turn to get called up, and they start calling out all them numbers and everything. Just sends your heart racing a little bit if you've ever been in that position.
We're right up for you at the station.
Andrew Valentine for David Newman.
Come on up.
And are you David Newman? Are both parties ready to proceed on
So
this motion to revoke?
This is the pervert.
All right, Mr. Newman, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision.
He was on
And First
probation.
Amendment motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same David Matthew Newman who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 0689 for the offense of possession of child pornography?
Oh, wow.
February 1st, 2022 for a term of 10 years. Is that you? State?
So, child pornography. Okay, he is a pervert. He's a sick pervert. And why do they usually look like that? Like, what is it that excites this man to have content of children? And then the way his face looks, it's starting to piss me off just a little bit, because you can tell he's faking trying to feel bad.
The state is proceeding under the original motion.
He's more ashamed than anything, and he should be.
On or about the 6th day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, David Matthew Newman, did then and there fail to comply with the instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Sex Offender Program, and that the defendant failed to comply with the instructions of Lone Star Offender Treatment Program, his court-ordered sex offender treatment program, and that the defendant was suspended from sex offender treatment for failing to abide by treatment program rules in violation of Condition 13.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State?
In Condition 13H, on or about the 12th day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, David Matthew Newman, did then and there fail to comply with the instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Sex Offender Program, and that the defendant was in possession of pornographic materials in violation of Condition 13H.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State?
Okay, so he's pled true to both of them. The first one, they're both probation violations. The first one, he didn't do, I guess they needed him to go and take some treatment to try to fix his screwed up head. And he got kicked out, so he couldn't do that. That's a violation. And then the second violation is he had more pictures and material like that while he was on probation, and that's the reason he's on probation, I believe. So that's how he failed to do what he was supposed to do on probation.
And lastly, the state is proceeding under Condition 16 on or about the 21st day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, David Matthew Newman, failed to comply with Chapter 62 requirements in violation of Condition 16.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
The state's waiving the remainder, Your Honor.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 13B, 13H, and 16, the court could...
Well, let me tell you like this, and this is something everybody should know by now. If you're going to be messing with young ones like this, and you get probation, you better do your probation. and you better keep your nose clean. You better do what you got to do, because the other option is you're gonna go to prison, like I think this guy's about to, and you're gonna be around a bunch of people, a bunch of guys who are fathers, and then you're gonna be around a bunch of guys who are not fathers but just dislike children getting violated, and you're not gonna have a very good time at all. You are going to get stomped and beat, and you're gonna wish that you would have never messed your probation up or wish you would have never done what you did. Me personally, he's going to go to prison. He's going to get exactly what he deserves, as he should. Too bad we can't just throw him in a wood chipper and be done with it. You can't violate if you're red mist everywhere.
Find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine. Did you understand? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 13B, 13H, and 16? Court will find 13B, 13H, and 16 true. Is there an agreement?
So he could be sentenced up to 10 years, and he's going with that because he knows that it could probably end up being worse, or he could get the max, which is the 10. Which means I'm led to believe that his lawyer and prosecutor came up with some type of good deal, and I hope it's not some kind of good deal that's going to piss everybody off.
There is an agreement, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Revocation and a sentence of 6 years.
That's exactly what it is right there. So instead of him taking his chances and getting the full 10 years, he thought it's in his best interest if they were to come up with that deal and just have to do 6. So I don't know how I feel about that, because you have to realize if he does the entire 6 years, he gets out, no probation, no nothing. I mean, he's still going to have to register and things like that, but probation really puts their foot on your neck. And as you can see, he couldn't do what he was supposed to do. So 6 years and then he's out. I mean, even 4 more years, 10 years, and then he gets out with nothing. I don't know. That's kind of scary, man. These police officers need to keep an eye on this guy even when he gets out.
All right. With regards to allegation number 16, is that child pornography as well, or is that a different type of pornography?
That is non-contraband, not adult pornography.
Adult pornography?
Yes.
Right. All right,
Oh,
the court is
okay.
going to...
Okay, that's my bad. I thought when he violated his probation, he had more children material. He didn't. It was just regular material. So basically, he had regular material, which is still a violation of his probation, but it wasn't child material. And then he couldn't finish his his counseling and stuff because he got kicked out. No idea why he got kicked out, but maybe he's trying to do better. I don't know. I don't feel that these guys really can get better. I think it's something mentally. But doesn't sound as bad as when we first started. I thought he was still doing all that crazy stuff, but it sounds like he's really not. I don't know. Let's see what he gets.
Grant the motion, revoke you, sentence you to 8 years in the prison.
I knew she was going to do that. I've seen this judge enough times to know that she's going to give you what she wants to give you. It doesn't matter what that the agreement is between y'all. If she feels like he deserves more, she's going to give him more. If she feels like he deserves less, she might give you less. This judge right here, she's a fair judge. She's strict, she's by the book, but she's fair. She does her job, and she makes sure that justice is served.
Give credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be Chapter 62 registration.
So he's going to have to do 8 years and then get out. And then there's going to be, oh yeah, because he's still under Chapter 62. He still has to register. I thought that was something extra she was adding. He has to do that no matter what.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
What happened? Stop it.
All right. You have a limited right to appeal, and that's as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Good.
Yes.
The deal was for 6 years, and I believe you announced 8. Is that
Yes. I'm not following that plea. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. The way she said it. So they really thought that she had accidentally misspoke. Like, oh, we had said 6, but I think you said 8. And she was like, yeah, he's getting 8. Thank you. The way she said that thank you and dismissed him, that was crazy. Well, that was the video for today. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. What should happen to people like this? Was that 8 years enough? Remember, the judge could only give them up to 10. Do you feel like the rules should change so they could get more time, even for infractions like this, small infractions? Do you think that they should be able to be put on probation at all? Like, what are your thoughts on guys like this, on women like this? Because if y'all have seen all my other videos, you know there's thousands of women that are offenders just like this guy. And if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. It's crazy. Until I started doing videos like this, I never realized how many women were actual predators themselves. So let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, hit that like and that subscribe and notification bell so when my next video comes out, you can be notified. That like and subscribe is free. That's all I'm saying. It doesn't take anything but 1 or 2 seconds to boom, boom. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Until next time, like always, stay tuned.